Everyone experiences stress, visualized here as this red cloud. But talking to a friend can help reduce that stress and make it feel manageable. As you can see here, these notes cover all the key points we discussed in the previous section.
As you can see, every second counts when managing your project timeline. This tiny crack, if left untreated, could cause major issues down the line. We must analyze it closely.
A small problem. Have you ever stopped to ask yourself, what if? What if things were different?
It is important that we review the following facts. When facing a challenge, we can look at the facts, or we can focus on our fears, which often seem overwhelming. As we begin, focus on the gentle rhythm of the waves. This visualization technique helps center your mind before learning. Task number 1 is complete. Well done.
One, 2, 3, 4. Up the stairs we go. 5, 6.
Ta-da! For more insights and to support the channel, Simply click the subscribe button for growth in minutes.